everyone, great news, I've got a brand new look for you. This is an eye makeup look and I am going to get right into it so you can see exactly how I got it done. So I'm starting as always with a primer and I'm putting it all over my eyelid and my lower lash line, and it's not as painful as it looks, I promise. By the way, every product used will be linked down below. Then I picked out two shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette. They're like kind of lightish brown and orangey, and I am blending them through my crease, and I go back and forth in windshield wiper motions. And it may look like this clip is on fast forward, but it's not. This is just me going really fast to get it really nice and blended right through that crease and outer corner. And then I take those same colors and blend it on the lower lash line, quite close to the lower lash line, but connecting it as well. For this look, I wanted to kind of open up my eyes a little bit, so I applied a white Lorac liner to my waterline. And then mixing two more shades from that Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, I just kind of intensified that outer corner and inner corner using these darker shades to do that. And then applying those two same shades to the lower lash line. And then to make this look a lot more glamorous and glitzy, it's a good one for the holiday season for sure. I'm taking the Stila liquid eyeshadow, which as you can see is quite dazzling and very glitzy and glittery, which is my favorite thing. And I'm applying it mainly to the lid and then spreading it with the wand that it comes with. You can use any brush though to spread it. I personally find that this works best for me. Ta-da! I now have the rest of my makeup on. But I'm taking this dark green shade and just kind of accentuating the lower lash line a little more. And then applying this light and bright shade to my inner corners and brow bones as a highlight. And of course, some mascara. I applied it to my upper and lower lashes both, and I personally prefer to do this before I put on my lashes. So that's what I did. Time for some lashes. And these are some of my favorites because although they're pretty glamorous, they still look natural on the lash line. They don't look like fake lashes. Just applying them and done. And then just spraying myself with a face mist, of course, to make everything look nice and bright and popping. That's the look complete. I hope you enjoy getting to see it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment as always, and I'll see you in my next video.